Hello everybody. Today is a 2016 Honda CR-V. We're putting a blower motor resistor in here, and I looked. There's not really anything out there on this exact vehicle on how to do it, but it's probably similar to an Accord. But I'm going to show you this one. So let me flip you around and I'll show you where we're at. I'm a little into it and I said, hey, let me make a video real quick. So here we go. Okay, underneath you got this shield. Okay, this shield sits up underneath here, underneath your glove box. You just pop that out. No tools required. Just pop that puppy out of the way. And then this shield here is your side panel for your dash. Let me back you up a little bit. See there? Okay, there's two clips here that go up front there. Pop them two clips out, and then the back just pops off. So you take that off. There's two screws down inside here. Take them out, and that lets this shield come loose. There's one up top. I'll show you. Let me pull the glove box door off and I'll show you. To take the glove box off, there's a guy here that folds up. There's a screw in this side and then one on this side. And then you take that puppy out, unhook that. Hang on. Okay, glove box out of the way. So, whoops, dropped the light. Okay, glove box is out of the way. Don't forget to undo your little shock doodad here. It just pops back, no big deal. So, it is located back yonder. It's really hard to see. See the hole there? Let me stick it back in there and I'll show you. Hang on, let me get my hand in there. Okay, it's the part that's see the plug is out of it? That's your blower motor resistor. So there's a screw on the top and one on the bottom. But to get to that, you have got to remove this here heater duct. And that just sits in here. Let me stick it in there, I'll show you. It just sits up in here. Hang on, I need two hands. Hold on. Okay. So there's a screw on the top of the duct, and there's one, oh, it's hard to see, up underneath. Can you see it? Right there. And then there's one right there. Okay, and then you just pop it down, let it slip down, and then you just pop that duct out of the way, and then you can get your hand back in there to unplug your connector and pull your dad dude out of there. Okay, and then obviously putting it back is exactly the way you took it apart. So hopefully that helps somebody if you're looking for this exact year on how to do it. There you go. Have a good day, guys.